As we study for our Server Fundamentals MTA exam, two topics that are talked about on the exam are methodology and procedures, and I want to define those. Before I do, let's mention right now that Microsoft has just announced that they are going to end the MTA program. It is right now, February 21st, 2021. And as of June 2021, they will stop selling licenses to take the MTA. And as of the end of June 2022, you will no longer be able to take the MTA exam. So it is a good idea to get in there and take it, because once you get the MTA, it's a lifetime certification. So good idea to get in there and get it now. Because you will still have that lifetime certification, but you will not be able to get it after June 2022, and you won't be able to sign up for it after June 2021. So let's talk about these two terms because they do show up on the MTA exam. Methodology. When we talk about methodology, we're talking about a series of questions that your company prepares ahead of time to answer at some regular interval. So, in other words, what we're saying is you need to be systematic. Now, these are just a sampling of questions. These are not all of the questions. But things like, well, which services are running on my servers? What are we going to monitor? What's considered to be a baseline? How are we going to collect the data? How often are we going to collect the data? All of these things are systematic questions about your servers that you are going to answer on some regular basis, and they need to be put on paper in stone somewhere. Then there are the procedures. These are the steps that you're going to take, including the software, the forms to fill out, and so on, that you're going to use to answer those questions. And there are 4 common areas of these bottlenecks that you're going to monitor: CPU, RAM, disk performance, and network performance. Now, in some cases, you may want to add graphics performance depending on what you have in your organization. So you could add GPU to this, and you will see GPU in some of the tools. So for example, in the Task Manager, you'll see some GPU usage, and we'll see that later on in some of the further videos.